Ever found yourself pondering over what a speech-language pathologist does? Well, you're about to find out. Step into the intriguing world of speech-language pathologists, professionals who are often the unsung heroes in the lives of many. Their role? It's all about communication, a vital element that connects us with others and enables us to express our thoughts, feelings, and ideas. Speech-language pathologists, or SLPs as they're commonly known, are the specialists who diagnose, treat, and help prevent communication and swallowing disorders. They are the lifeline for individuals who struggle with a range of issues, from stuttering and articulation difficulties to voice disorders and language impairments. SLPs don't just work with those who stammer or have speech sound disorders. They also assist individuals with more complex conditions such as autism, Down syndrome, hearing loss, and neurological disorders like stroke or traumatic brain injury. They help these individuals to communicate effectively and swallow safely, thereby improving their quality of life. This profession is not just about speech and language. It's about understanding the intricate workings of the human brain, the complex mechanics of the vocal apparatus, and the profound effects of these disorders on a person's life. To put it succinctly, SLPs are communication problem solvers. They use their expertise to create custom treatment plans, employ innovative therapy techniques, and harness the power of technology to help their clients communicate better. They are the architects of hope for those who find it challenging to articulate their thoughts or safely swallow their food. They work tirelessly, often behind the scenes, to help these individuals find their voice and regain their independence. In a world where communication plays such a pivotal role, the importance of SLPs cannot be overstated. They make a significant impact, not just on the individuals they serve, but also on their families, communities, and society at large. So the next time you effortlessly engage in a conversation, spare a thought for those who find this simple act a daunting challenge, and for the speech-language pathologists who help them overcome it. As you can see, this job is all about improving people's lives, one word at a time. So, how do you become a speech-language pathologist? It all starts with a good education. Embarking on a journey to become a speech-language pathologist, or SLP, is an exciting venture. Like many professions, this path requires dedication and a thirst for learning. You'll need to start with a solid foundation, and that begins with obtaining a bachelor's degree. Now, while there isn't a hard and fast rule about which undergraduate major to choose, a degree in communication sciences and disorders or a related field is the most common route. This allows you to gain a comprehensive understanding of the human communication process, including the nature and treatment of speech, language, and hearing disorders. Remember, the goal here is to set yourself up for success as you move forward. So select a program that resonates with you and aligns with your career aspirations. Once you've secured your bachelor's degree, the next step on this educational journey is to pursue a master's degree in speech-language pathology. This is where you'll delve deeper into the intricacies of the field, honing your skills and knowledge. You'll study everything from speech sound disorders to swallowing disorders, from language impairment to cognitive communication disorders. Master's programs in speech-language pathology typically involve both coursework and clinical practicum. This blend of theory and hands-on experience equips you with the practical skills you'll need to excel in real-world scenarios. You'll get the chance to work with clients across the lifespan, in diverse settings, dealing with a wide array of communication and swallowing disorders. So you see, the journey to becoming a speech-language pathologist is a marathon, not a sprint. It's a commitment to learning, to growing, to pushing the boundaries of your knowledge and expertise. But let's not forget, it's also a commitment to making a difference, to enhancing the lives of those with communication and swallowing disorders. Education is the stepping stone into the world of speech-language pathology, setting the foundation for a rewarding career. Degrees in hand, what's next on the journey? Certifications, of course. Now that you've conquered the academic world, it's time to gain that official seal of approval. And this comes in two forms: a state license and a certification from the American Speech-Language Hearing Association, also known as ASHA. Why are these important, you may ask? Well, in most states, a license is mandatory to practice as a speech-language pathologist. This typically involves passing a state-administered exam. On the other hand, ASHA certification is a nationally recognized professional credential. It's like a shiny badge of honor that tells everyone you've met the highest standards in your field. But it's not just about credibility. These certifications also serve as keys, unlocking a myriad of opportunities in the field of speech-language pathology. So don't overlook them. Remember, the journey to an enriching career in speech-language pathology continues even after schooling. Certifications not only enhance your credibility, but also open doors to a myriad of opportunities. With the groundwork laid, it's time to explore the specialty areas within speech-language pathology. This field is as diverse as it is fascinating, offering a myriad of opportunities to make a real difference in the lives of those you serve. Let's start with pediatric speech and language disorders. This area focuses on children who may have difficulties with communication. These challenges could be due to developmental delays, autism, or other conditions that impact their ability to express themselves. As a specialist in this area, you'll work diligently to help these young individuals find their voice, both literally and figuratively. Then we have voice disorders. This specialty area deals with issues related to the quality, pitch, volume, or resonance of a person's voice. If you've ever experienced hoarseness or loss of voice, you've had a taste of what individuals with chronic voice disorders go through. As a speech-language pathologist specializing in voice disorders, you'll be their advocate, guiding them towards improved vocal health and communication. Another intriguing specialty is swallowing disorders, often referred to as dysphagia. These can occur as a result of a stroke, brain injury, or certain medical conditions. The role of a speech-language pathologist in this situation is to facilitate safer and more efficient swallowing, thereby improving the individual's quality of life. And let's not forget about fluency disorders, such as stuttering. This area requires a deep understanding of the complexities of speech production and a compassionate approach to help individuals overcome their unique challenges. These are just a few of the specialty areas in speech-language pathology. Each one offers a unique opportunity to apply your knowledge and skills to improve the lives of those affected by these conditions. And the beauty of this field is that there's always room for further specialization, allowing you to continually grow and evolve in your career. Specializing allows you to focus your skills, making a significant difference in specific areas of need. Now, where can a speech-language pathologist put their skills to use? Just about anywhere. Imagine yourself in a bustling hospital, working alongside medical professionals to help patients recover their ability to speak after a stroke. Here, your work is vital, urgent, and deeply rewarding. You're not just helping patients to talk again, but to reconnect with their loved ones, express their needs, and regain their confidence. Then picture yourself in a school, guiding children with speech and language disorders to communicate more effectively. You're their champion, their mentor, and their bridge to a world that can sometimes feel out of reach. Every day, you're helping to shape young lives, giving children the tools they need to express themselves and succeed in their educational journey. Now, envision yourself in a research lab, pushing the boundaries of our understanding of speech and language disorders. You're at the cutting edge of your field, exploring new treatment methods, and contributing to the scientific knowledge that will shape the future of speech-language pathology. Or perhaps you see yourself in private practice, where you have the autonomy to manage your own client base and specialize in areas that truly interest you. Here, you have the flexibility to set your own hours and the satisfaction of building a business that reflects your unique approach to speech-language pathology. And that's just the beginning. Speech-language pathologists can also find rewarding careers in corporate settings, helping employees with voice control for public speaking, or in rehabilitation centers, assisting patients to regain their communication abilities after traumatic brain injuries. You might even work in the entertainment industry, coaching actors on accent modification. In short, the opportunities are as diverse as they are exciting. What all these settings have in common, though, is the profound impact you, as a speech-language pathologist, can have on the lives of those you serve. As a speech-language pathologist, you have the freedom to choose a setting that suits your career goals and personal preferences. So, where will your journey take you? Becoming a speech-language pathologist is a journey filled with learning, growth, and immense satisfaction. We've taken a deep dive into this fascinating world, tracing the steps from the comprehensive education pathway that lays the foundation with a blend of theoretical knowledge and practical experience. We've explored the importance of acquiring essential certifications, a testament to your skills, and a stepping stone to professional recognition. We've discovered the myriad specialty areas within speech-language pathology, each offering unique challenges and rewards, and the diverse work settings available, from schools and hospitals to private practice and research facilities. Each environment offers its own unique opportunities to make a positive impact. In this journey, you're not just building a career, but also crafting a path that allows you to touch lives, bring smiles, and make a difference every single day. Embrace the journey and you'll find yourself with a fulfilling career, making a real difference in people's lives every day.